Did you know that your body possesses a remarkable ability to heal itself without a single pill, without any outside intervention? For centuries, monks in remote forest monasteries have practiced a sacred ritual, a ritual so simple it takes only 5 minutes, yet powerful enough to reset your entire nervous system. Stay with me because, in just a moment, I will guide you through this forgotten Buddhist practice, revealing a path to deep healing that lies within your own breath, your own awareness, and your own presence. This is not a technique you will find in hospitals or medical journals. It is not another method prescribed by modern science or technology. This is an embodied prayer, a living ritual passed down by wandering monks in the misty mountains and lush forests of Laos, Cambodia, Myanmar, and northern Thailand. These monks do not heal with medicine, but with breath, awareness, silence, and vibration. They honor the sacred energy that flows through each person, believing that true healing comes from harmonizing with the rhythms of nature and spirit. Today I will share this practice with you, inviting you to step into a tradition that has soothed hearts and revitalized bodies for centuries. Modern life overwhelms us with stress, noise, and constant activity. Our bodies rarely, if ever, truly rest. The relentless pace of daily existence weakens our immune systems and disrupts our natural cycles of renewal. We seek healing in medicine, in technology, in endless supplements and treatments, hoping for relief. But what if the real healing was already inside you? What if the answer you've been searching for is simpler than you could imagine? Ancient Buddhist traditions teach that illness begins long before the body speaks, long before symptoms appear, long before pain manifests. It begins in your breath, in your vibration, in your loss of inner balance. When we lose connection to our own source, we lose the ability to heal. The monks understand this. Their ritual, passed quietly from teacher to student, is designed to restore that balance, to gently awaken the body's natural capacity for regeneration and self-healing. Let us explore the 5-minute ritual, a practice with 4 sacred phases, each designed to bring you back to your center. Step 1 is the opening breath. Sit with your back straight, allowing your spine to rise tall and free. Place your hands gently on your stomach, feeling the warmth of your palms against your skin. Inhale deeply through your nose for 4 counts, filling your belly and chest with air. Hold that breath for 2 counts, letting it settle inside you. Then exhale slowly through your mouth for 6 counts, releasing tension and old energy. As you exhale, imagine a gray mist leaving your body, carrying away stress, fear, and old thoughts that no longer serve you. With each breath, you clear space for healing, for renewal, for peace. Step 2 is the sacred chalice gesture. Bring your hands together at your navel, forming a cup with your palms, thumbs touching gently. This gesture, known as the chalice, symbolizes openness, a readiness to receive the healing you already carry within. Feel the subtle energy between your palms, a gentle warmth or tingling. Silently affirm to yourself, I am ready to receive the healing I already carry. In this moment, you honor your own capacity for transformation and embrace the wisdom of the monks who have walked this path before you. Step 3 is the golden light visualization. Close your eyes and imagine a golden light descending from the sky, entering through the crown of your head. This light is pure, radiant, and compassionate. It flows down through your throat, filling your heart, your stomach, your pelvis, and finally your feet. As it travels, the golden light restores, cleanses, and heals, without effort, without force. You do not need to do anything but allow it to move through you, trusting in its power and the wisdom of your own body. Every cell, every organ, every fiber of your being is touched by this golden light, awakening a profound sense of wholeness and tranquility. Step 4 is the healing leap. Place your right hand on your heart, left hand on your stomach. Breathe gently, feeling the rise and fall of your chest and belly. Silently or softly affirm, I am healed. I am light. I am alive. Stay in silence for 30 seconds, letting these words settle into your body, your mind, your spirit. Smile softly, honoring the sacred moment you have created. And when you are ready, open your eyes, returning to the present with renewed clarity and calm. This ritual may seem simple, even humble, but here is what happens when you practice it. Your body shifts from fight or flight into rest and restore. Your immune system awakens, responding to a new sense of safety and balance. Pain lessens, tension dissolves, and your mind becomes calm and clear. Most importantly, you reconnect with the sacred temple within you, a place of wisdom, compassion, and strength. It is not the duration that heals, but your presence. Not complexity, but awareness. Not effort, but allowing. In these 5 minutes, you move from survival to healing, from fragmentation to wholeness, from striving to being. The monks teach that true healing occurs when you stop trying to control and simply allow yourself to be held, to be nurtured by the energy of life that flows through every living thing. As you sit in silence, you may notice subtle shifts, a softening in your chest, a lightness in your mind, a gentle warmth in your hands. These are signs that your body is responding. You are not just relaxing, you are activating the body's own regenerative power, tapping into ancient patterns of renewal and restoration. This is the wisdom of the forest monks, the gift of the sacred ritual handed down through generations. For 5 minutes, you have stepped out of the chaos of modern life. You have entered a sacred space, honoring your body as a temple, your breath as a prayer, your awareness as a healing force. When you return to your day, carry this sense of peace with you. Let it infuse your actions, your words, your thoughts. Practice this ritual daily for 7 days, always in silence, always with respect. Watch how your sleep deepens, your mood lifts, your energy transforms. You may notice that you become less reactive, more compassionate, more at ease with yourself and others. Healing is not just the absence of illness, it is the presence of wholeness, vitality, and joy. If you feel called to begin, write in the comments. I start today, 7 days, 5 minutes, I let my body heal. By making this commitment, you honor your intention to heal, to grow, to return to your natural state of balance. Like this message, if your heart resonates with the teachings of the monks, if you sense the truth in their gentle wisdom, subscribe to receive weekly rituals and insights from the sacred Sutras of Buddhist tradition, teachings that guide you beyond medicine, into the realm of spirit and soul. And share these words with someone who seeks healing beyond the limits of conventional medicine, someone who longs to reconnect with the sacred essence within. Your body is more than a machine. It is a temple, a vessel of consciousness and energy. Every ritual you practice is an offering to the sacred, an act of reverence for the life that pulses within you. The monks have known this for centuries, tending their bodies and spirits with the same care they devote to the forest, the sky, the river. When you practice this ritual, you join a lineage of healers, seekers, and sages. You awaken the ancient memory of wholeness that lives in your cells, your breath, your heart. You do not need to be a monk or travel to a distant monastery to experience this healing. All you need is a quiet space, a few minutes, and a willingness to turn inward. The sacred ritual is available to everyone, regardless of age, background, or belief. It honors the universal truth that healing begins within, that each of us carries a spark of the divine, an innate wisdom waiting to be awakened. If you find yourself struggling with anxiety, pain, or exhaustion, remember these 4 phases: the opening breath, the sacred chalice gesture, the golden light visualization, and the healing leap. Let them become your daily practice, a touchstone for renewal and balance. When you feel overwhelmed, pause for 5 minutes and enter the ritual. When you feel disconnected, return to your breath, your hands, your heart. In time, you may discover that the ritual becomes second nature, a source of strength and comfort in every circumstance. The monks teach that healing is not an event, but a journey. It is a process of returning to your true self, of reclaiming the harmony that is your birthright. Each day you practice, you peel away layers of stress and tension, revealing the radiant core beneath. You become more present, more alive, more attuned to the subtle currents of energy that flow through you and around you. The ritual is a doorway, a passage from the ordinary to the sacred, from fragmentation to unity. The breath you take is a breath of the earth. The light you receive is the light of the sun. The affirmation you speak is a prayer to the universe, a declaration of your readiness to heal. And in the silence that follows, you listen for the voice of your own spirit, guiding you home. As you continue, remember that healing is not only for yourself. Every time you practice, you send ripples of peace into the world. The monks believe that individual healing is inseparable from collective healing. When you restore your own balance, you uplift those around you, family, friends, community, even strangers. The ritual becomes a gift, a blessing, a source of hope in a world often consumed by hurry and distraction. Let this practice be your anchor in turbulent times. Let it remind you of your inherent worth, your inner strength, your capacity for transformation. When you face challenges, return to the ritual. When you celebrate joys, honor them with breath and presence. In every moment, remember that you carry the sacred within you, that your body is a temple, your spirit a flame. As you reflect on these teachings, may you feel the gentle support of the monks who have walked this path before you. May their wisdom guide you, their compassion sustain you, their ritual inspire you. In the quiet moments of practice, sense the ancient lineage behind you, holding you in love and light. Today, you have learned a forgotten Buddhist practice, a ritual of breath, gesture, visualization, and affirmation. You have discovered the power of simplicity, the magic of presence, the healing that comes from within. For 5 minutes, you have touched the sacred, renewed your body, awakened your spirit. Carry this ritual with you, practice it daily, and watch as your life transforms. Share your journey with others, inviting them to join you in the healing circle. Together, we can create a world where healing is not a privilege, but a birthright, where every body is honored, every spirit respected, every breath sacred. Begin today. 7 days, 5 minutes. Let your body heal. Let your spirit shine. Let your life become an offering to the sacred temple within. You are healed. You are light. You are alive.